What up, YouTube? My name is Nathaniel Green, and welcome to another quick and fast tutorial. You ever get that lighting error thing that pops up right over here and you want to know how to clear it? Well, let me show you how to do that real quick. First of all, we're going to need to have our toolbar. If you don't have your toolbar, make sure you go to Windows and click on toolbar and place it wherever you like on your viewport, because you're going to need to open that up. But before we do that, let's add some lights in here so I can show you that light pop-up message. There you go, it already popped up. Okay, it's already been kind of messing with the lights for this little scene. So let's just say, let's just put a light there, okay? Now you get this little message right here. Lighting needs to be rebuilt. Let me show you how to rebuild your lighting. Remember the toolbar? Go back there. Click right here. Go to build options. And then you want to go right here. Build lighting only. Let it do its thing. And as you can see, that little error is gone. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If it was, comment, like, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.